Hello, I'm Val. This is Improvisation Months with Uptown Swing. So something we talked about today is changing timing and direction or shape of moves that you know really well. So for example, we have our box step, pa, pa, pa. But what if you did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and change timing of those moves. We did a little exercise where you had to come up with different ways to modify a move, and something that we focused on is it needs to be repeatable. It can't be like different things every time you try to do it. You need to be intentional and be able to repeat it and show it to somebody else. Same with shapes, for example. You have boogie drop, boogie drop, but what if you did ha, pa, pa, pa? Changed kind of direction and shape of it. And we practiced that a bunch, and there was a lot of like a group activity where we played around with it and came up with new things. It was great. Bye!